Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video, I'm here to show you the essential line of beading tools by Beadaholique. Now, this features 5 different tools here, and I have the chain nose pliers over here, and then I have some round nose pliers. I have a diagonal cutter, flat nose pliers, and bent nose pliers. Now, when you look at these, they're really comfortable in the hand. So I just want to pick it up and kind of show you. And also, it has a really nice little spring joint to it. So it's a nice little box joint that it has there. So it makes it really nice for long use. So if you are going to be doing lots of jump rings or loops, this is really, you can just see that it springs back really, really nicely. Now this does have a lovely little polished finish there. This is quality carbon steel forged. So this is a lovely quality. So these are kind of your essential tools. So again, we have the chain nose pliers, the round nose pliers, and your cutters. So those are going to be great. Those are like your 3 main ones, I'd say, for making things like simple wire loops, opening and closing some jump rings. And then you also have the flat nose pliers and the bent nose pliers, which, and just to kind of show you on the side, these are going to be really great if you're doing anything like chainmail or anything like that, because you can kind of really sneak the tip in there and work with your jump rings, just kind of keeping your hand in a different position. So that is the Essential Beading Pliers by Beadaholique. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can get everything you see here by heading over to beadaholique.com. And if you're new to our YouTube channel here, be sure to hit that subscribe button below to get all the latest from Beadaholique.